I'm out here just chilling. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. I'm at the balcony. Yeah, just chilling. The weather is so perfect. So I saw Mwango live saying that JB wants them to be best friends or friends. Okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But you know, he ended it so badly. Like, who does that? Who does that? Like, you know, JB quit his job and he claims Mwango told him to quit his job. And he did. And Mwango paid for it. So why would you not even think about that? This is someone who has changed your life. You know, there are some people in this world, you wouldn't want to be enemies with them just because of what they have done in your life. So for JB, when Mwango went live and said they broke up, if he's man enough, he should have just like chilled, not go live as well, explaining himself, you know. Sometimes you just have to be a man, you know. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to say anything. So when JB went live, he said that Mwango, actually he tried to say like Mwango is the one who slided in his DM. He's not the one. He was trying to tell us like he was not the one who went for Mwango. Mwango did go for him. And you know what? There's no problem with a woman going for a man. If I feel this man is good for me, I will go for that man. We are in 2023, so there's nothing wrong. You should have just said no. Simple no. Or you should have just ignored the inbox. But you checked, went to look around, looked at her YouTube, you saw she's someone, and then why not? You decided, okay, this is the opportunity I've been looking for all over. So you are making it look like you didn't want anything, but you had a choice to say no. So you are trying to make Mwango look like she's not a good woman. But you know what? People are different in this world. Me speaking one, me, if I think a man is good, I will go for him, because I don't like when men slide in my DM asking me blah blah blah. I don't like it actually. So if I saw a man out there and I think this man could be someone nice to me, I would go for it. When I saw, what is his name? Crooked Traveler. I thought he's a nice person. I told him. And he said he's married with 2 kids. So there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with you telling someone, I like you. Like, there's nothing totally wrong. Gone are those days where we thought men are the ones who are supposed to always come for you. No, gone are those days. So you just need to say no or yes. And then look at what Mwango has done for you. You said you never requested for the money, but you took it. So the fact remains you took it, you used it, right? That was not your money, that was not your parents' money. So you could have thought before even going live and saying shit, you know. You could have thought twice before you say it. Men are not like women. You think twice before you say anything. A woman can shout on top of the mountain but people are going to understand them. But when a man does the same thing, no one will understand you, because this is the society we are all grown in, and that's how we know it. So you've lost someone very special, you've lost someone very important, you've lost someone that could have been a landmark in your life. It's not bad for you to ask for forgiveness, but you ruined it. It's like when you make a makeshift. In my mother tongue, there is this saying that says that when you make a makeshift is where you shelter yourself in the bush when it's raining. So you make it and then shelter yourself, and then when the rain is done, you destroy it. So when you walk like 5 minutes, the rain starts raining again. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? You know, usiwache mbachao kwa msala upitao. That's what Swahili saying says. Usiwache mbachao kwa msala upitao. So JB never thought about it. D was so nice. Oh my God. You know, someone like D is somebody I could have clinged on, but JB had his own ways. As I said, it's not easy for you to find an Asian who loves an African genuinely. No, there has to be something. So JB went to look around and realized, oh, this is a celebrity. This is an upcoming celebrity, you know. And she has a lot of subscribers. Why not? She's in Philippines. Why not? So he took advantage and used D and trashed her. And some people have the audacity to even say D was on the wrong side. How was D on the wrong side, honestly? How? When somebody is not talking to you, how will you feel? Somebody you've done so much for, and then all of a sudden they are not talking to you just because they think you are controlling. No, he thought that was the right time for him to quit the relationship, because he never loved D. He just liked the fun about D, that's all. Yeah. And it's a lesson to many anyway. That's why I say, for you to be in my life, you have to be on my level. For me not to feel that way, you have to be on my level. So if you are in Kenya, and wherever I am, you have to be on the same level. Like, you have to be someone. Otherwise, it will be like you used me, you are using me, you know. That's how it's going to be like. And it's obvious. It's obvious. It's not like it's a lie. It's obvious. When people see opportunities, always they go grab them. So I would say it's the wrong time for JB to ask for friendship. He ruined it, so he has to amend it. He has to prove it. And I told him a simple thing. If you really never wanted this money, give it back to her. You're making money on YouTube, a YouTube channel which is not even yours. It's this channel. If you created your own channel by yourself from scratch, you wouldn't be even at 10K subscribers right now, not even 5. I've had my YouTube channel for 2 years. This channel is 2 years old. I'm just still struggling, you know. So if you are genuine and you never wanted anything from D, she forced you to take it, give it back. It's simple. Give it back. Then look for your own money, and then look for D and ask for that friendship that you are asking for. Treat her, take her to London, pay for the trip, sponsor everything, and then yeah, people will give you a second chance. But when you're still depending on this sweat, no way, baby. Just enjoy your life with your Filipino girls. Those are the ones you thought you need. And remember, karma will come for you. You don't know what the next girl will do for you, because you never know what she'll do. Because I mean, you have to pay the price. You will have to pay the price. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe if you like. Subscribe to my channel, please. Please subscribe. That's all I'm asking for. Subscribe.